how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kiki Lifestyle Major. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, I literally appreciate you so much. By the way, thank you to the new subscribers. The last time I checked, we were at around 302, and right now we are at 315. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for trusting in my content. Thank you for believing in me, and thank you for clicking that button. It literally means a lot. So if you have subscribed, feel free to share my content with other people. Let them know about my content, and also spread the love when it comes to watching my vlogs. And yeah, as I told you all, this is an unboxing video plus / house updates. By the way, happy new month. It's July and I am so excited because damn, I hate these motorcycles around here at night. That's when they start motherfucking us making that noise. That shit makes me sick. Makes me so sick. Anyway, yeah, so if you like such kind of videos, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment and let me know what's your best part of this video. So the first item that I want to unbox with you, it's the foundation that I bought from Linton's. My foundation, I always use a MAC foundation, and it's over, and as you all know, MAC Cosmetics is like, it's literally expensive. My foundation usually goes from within around 6,000 to 7K or something of that kind of sort. And this time I wasn't ready to spend that amount of money on foundation because I've come to realize I wear my foundations rarely, and so I was like, because I don't need it so urgently, I was like, why not just buy from Black Opal? And Black Opal, they were selling theirs at 3,000, so I was like, why not? Almost half the price. I've ever used their product, so yeah, so that's it. It's a tube. There's yeah, so that's it for the foundation. I bought it at 3,000 from Black Opal. Yeah, 3,000. It was 3,090 actually. Yeah, 3,090. The second item, it's this steamer. I already showed you this in my last vlog, but I did not unbox with you. I wanted to use them and see how it works and all that. And honestly, I would recommend. I bought it from. It's so portable. You can put it in your handbag. You know, those moments where you're going for an event and you feel like you don't want your clothes to crease, you know, and you don't have the space to put an iron box. You can carry this. It's a portable steamer. I bought it because of my curtains personally, because to iron these curtains, it's not easy, but once they're put up there and you use this, it actually works. Yeah, so I can't recall how much it was. No, it was 1,200. It was 1,200 plus transport was 200 shillings, so that was like 1,400 or something of that kind of sort. So it's UV nail. It's for making your nails. I bought it from Kilimall as usual. I'm talented, and also I try save my money anytime I want to, because I never see the essence of going to spend money making nails monthly right now when I haven't bought my own house, when I haven't bought my own car. So if I'm able to save that money so that I'm able to like invest in real estate, honestly, I do that. By the way, before then I used to spend my money in these kind of things, but I came across this guy that I had a first date with, and he just when we were having a conversation, he said a lot of young Kenyan girls just spend their money on hair, makeup, nails, and they don't even have houses. Shit. That statement, it hit so deep, because when she said a lot of Kenyan girls, a lot of Nairobi girls, I was among a lot of Nairobi girls, you know, because 90% of my houses, like most of the houses that I've been staying in, are rentals, so it's not my own house. And so right now I'm working towards buying a house, and so save as much as you can. Like, I want to dominate the real estate industry, by the way. That's my main aim, or that's my big dream. My biggest dream is to dominate the real estate world. And why not start now, you know? So yep. So here it is. That's how it looks like. Beneath it's a brass kind of vibe, and on top it's black. When I bought this, my main aim was, I knew my bed was going to be black. But when I moved into this house, apparently I bought a white bed and everything. Right now I want my bedroom to be white. 90% of my stuff, I want them to be white. But still, I'm not gonna change this because I feel like it's gonna just kill the whole white vibration and add some aesthetic and vibes to it. So yeah, so I'm not gonna remove this paper yet because I haven't bought the side stands for my bed. So I'll do that with you once I buy the side tables, hopefully this month or next month, I'm not sure. I'll let you all know. But I bought them from Tiles and Carpet Center. I bought 2 of them. The one is inside here. I don't see the essence of unboxing. It's just the same as this one. I bought them when Tiles and Carpet Center were having a sale. So anytime I see a sale, I take advantage of it because honey. And also I bought the 2 bulbs that I'm supposed to put on here. Let me just show you how it looks like when it's lit and all that, so y'all can understand. Just switch this light off so that you'll understand. You see, when it's lit, that's how it's supposed to look like. And I think even much better. So yes. I genuinely love it. I bought the warm lights because 90% of my bulbs here are white, so I wanted something warm just in case the night is too cold and all that, you know. So it's this huge flower vase here. I bought it from Tiles and Carpet Center also. They had a sale, by the way. I don't know how much it was going for initially, but the time that I bought it, when they were having a sale, honey, I bought it at 1,000. 1,000, imagine 1,000. Literally, it was just recently that when I went to Stage Market and I was buying this artificial plant behind here in Sam that I'm gonna show you. When I was buying that, I saw a small tiny vase. It was looking so cute, more like a candle holder or something of that kind of sort. And they were telling me it's 1,000 shillings, and I was just like, girl, if you knew the vase that I bought from Tiles and Carpet Center, Tiles and Carpets, if you knew what I bought from Tiles and Carpet Center at 1,000, they wouldn't have told me that was 1,000. I even expected that to be around 300 or 400 because it was so tiny. Because honestly, look at this, and the quality is so nice. Like, it kind of looks like a wine glass or something. You know, if you're stressed and all, and if you feel like you genuinely want to drink, you can put your wine here and sip on that, baby. You know what I mean? I'm not sure where I'm gonna place it in this house. Until I finish this house, that's when I'll know where I'll place it, because damn, this girl is so precious. One thing I can advise you guys, if you see a sale going on, take advantage of it, because the prices are always just incredible. Like, the prices are always just incredible. To shoes, I think I showed you this on my previous vlog. I bought it from Glam from Glam Accessories, from Glam Access on Instagram. It's so beautiful. Not a fan of chunky heels, you know. I love my heels. I love my stilettos, you know. I love my heels thin. Because baby, I know how to balance. I always feel like such kind of shoes are made for people who don't know how to balance. I'm not throwing no shade to anyone. Personally, I just bought it because I felt like the color was beautiful. And I'm planning to buy at least 17 pairs of high heels before this year ends. That's one of my goals of this year. So far so good, I've bought 2, so I have 15 down to go. So yep, I bought it from Glam Access. I'm not sure how much it is. I'll check the price, then I'll put it here. If you want, you can go check them out on Instagram. The ones are these beautiful nude heels. I genuinely love them. I have the same kind of heels in red, green and white. I was like, damn. So right now they're more like sisters. I bought it at 2,800 from Glam Accessories. The last item is this box from Kilimall. Damn, I think I need scissors for this. So I bought these items yesterday, by the way. They were delivered today and I was so shocked. Like that, this is one of the first items that have been delivered to me so fast. So I bet these things look like this. This is a disappointment. It's the first time I'm seeing them with you guys, and honestly, I don't know. Once I place them on the wall, I'll show you how it looks like. Anyway, it was not that expensive, so it was something around 400 or something of that kind of sort. It's more like something like, it's supposed to be more like a mirror deco or something of that kind of sort. So yeah. This one, it's a sticker. I bought it for my kitchen because I felt like there's a part of my kitchen that's looking a little bit empty, and I wanted to put some frames there, and I was just like, nah, it's gonna be too much. So the frame says, oh, it's actually longer than I thought. That's what it says. Coffee is something, a good idea, blah blah blah. So yeah, I'm supposed to remove it from this whatever and stick it on my wall. Yeah, once I stick it up, I'll show you. It was going for 200 and I was like, I think that's a good deal. Oh, I forgot I bought other high heels. Damn. So now we have 14 high heels left. Oh my gosh. I felt like I should buy this because 90% of the time I go to work and I find myself wearing closed shoes so much, and sometimes I just want to wear like some high heels or some open heels and all that, and I was like, why not? Wow, this is a little bit cute than I thought. So that's how it looks like. I'm not a fan of these small heels and all that. I always feel it's as if, I don't know. But anyway, the price is what attracted me. It was going for 700, imagine, 780 something. So let's say 800. Imagine. Let me just hope it will not. It's gonna serve me well, so yeah. That's it. Imagine 800. Yo, go check out Kilimall. Kilimall has some cute things, some cute stuff that you'll not be able to get on Instagram, that you'll not be able to get on around these shops. And personally, anytime I get an opportunity to go to Kilimall, like I'm always on Kilimall almost every day. Like I'm always on that app on a daily, just to check what they have. And right now my cart even has 300 and something items, 328 items that I haven't purchased yet. But I've just put it aside because I know, babes, this I have to purchase. So yeah, so that's it for this video. If you like such kind of videos, let me know. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know what was your favorite item, and also if there's anything that I haven't mentioned the price or where I got it, feel free to ask. I'll respond. And if you like such kind of videos, let me know, because personally I love unboxing things. I love unboxing things, like just the thrill that I get from it. It's always beautiful and I never regret. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Feel free to share my videos, leave a comment, like, and see you later. So the green plant, I bought it at 500 shillings, and the lantern, I bought it at 400 shillings. It does light, and you're supposed to use those whatever's battery for the watch. I think this is just so beautiful. I think this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. So you can imagine how it's going to look if I change this whole tile to white.